To be able to launch the chronograph, please make sure that you have enabled the chronograph function in the display setting. Now it's enabled. To be able to use the chronograph function on the watch, you have to push the crown and scroll until we reach the chronograph function. Then tap on the watch to start the function. You can see the longer hand is now functioning as a chronograph second hand and moving every second. The smaller hand is now turning as a minute counter. When your chronograph is activated, you can relaunch the chronograph by tapping on your digital screen. To stop the chronograph, you can tap on the watch and then confirm the stop by pushing the crown. To put the hands back to zero, just move to the next feature.